Welcome to today's episode where we're going to dive into the world of humanoid robots with AI capabilities. From manufacturing to healthcare, these robots are being designed to perform tasks that were previously thought to be the domain of humans. But what does this mean for our future? Will they create jobs or replace humans? Let's start by exploring what's happening in this field. As we speak, companies like Boston Dynamics and Honda are working on developing humanoid robots that can perform complex tasks with ease. These robots are being equipped with advanced AI capabilities that allow them to learn from experience and adapt to new situations. But what's driving this rapid development? The answer lies in the increasing demand for automation in industries.
That's right. The need for efficiency and precision in manufacturing, healthcare, and other sectors has led to a surge in investment in robotics and AI research. And humanoid robots are at the forefront of this revolution. But what exactly are these robots capable of?
Well, they're designed to mimic the movements and abilities of humans, making them ideal for tasks that require dexterity and precision. They're also being equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that enable them to navigate complex environments and interact with humans safely. But while these robots have the potential to revolutionize industries, there are also concerns about their impact on the workforce.
Yes, that's a very valid concern. As these robots become more advanced, there's a risk that they could displace human workers, especially in sectors where tasks are repetitive or can be easily automated. But what about the potential benefits? Could humanoid robots be used to augment human capabilities, freeing us up to focus on higher-level tasks?
That's a great point. By automating routine tasks, humanoid robots could enable humans to focus on more complex and creative work. And in industries like healthcare, they could even help to improve patient care and outcomes. But we need to be careful not to get ahead of ourselves. There are still many challenges to overcome before these robots can be safely deployed in the workforce.
Absolutely. And that's where the controversy comes in. Some experts are warning that the development of humanoid robots with AI capabilities is happening too quickly, without adequate consideration for the social and economic implications. They're concerned that we're creating a workforce that's overly reliant on technology and neglecting the needs of human workers.
That's a very valid concern. As we move forward with the development of humanoid robots, we need to ensure that we're prioritizing the needs of human workers and creating a future where technology and humans work together in harmony.
So, what does the future hold for humanoid robots with AI capabilities? Will they revolutionize industries or replace humans? We'll explore the potential impact of this emerging technology and what it means for our future.
That's right. Join us as we delve into the future of work and the role that humanoid robots will play in shaping it.
And for our listeners who want to stay ahead of the curve, we've included a list of resources and links in the description below. From robotics and AI research to industry trends and job market analysis, we've got you covered.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and discussion on the latest AI trends and technologies.
And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. We'll do our best to respond to as many as we can.
And finally, if you're interested in exploring the world of humanoid robots and AI capabilities further, we've included a link to a free AI tutorial in the description below. It's a great resource for anyone looking to learn more about this emerging technology.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.